So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what are automatic measures and how we can apply them. So when Power BI Desktop creates a measure, it's most often created for you automatically. Let's see how Power BI creates these measures. So for this, open any Power BI report and import any dataset that you want. Over here, I'm working with this online retail dataset and it has columns like order date, category, profit and sales. Now over here, select the checkbox next to the sales column over here. So I will just select the checkbox and a new bar chart has created which shows sum total of the values in the sales column from this table. And any field in the fields pane with a sigma icon is numeric. So as you guys can see in front of profit and sales, we have sigma icon over here, which indicates that these two fields are numeric. And rather than display the table with many values, what Power BI does is it creates and calculates a measure to aggregate the data if it detects a numeric data type. Sum is the default aggregation for numeric data type, but if you want to apply different aggregations like average or count, you can do that. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, just click on go to this fields pane, and in the values section we have sales over here, and just click on this drop down icon. So as you guys can see, the default aggregation type is sum. If you want to change it to anything, you can just do this. Let's say count. So as you guys can see, the count of sales is 10, which means we have only 10 rows of data. So in this way, we can apply any aggregation type to our data and we can make automatic measures. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.